Welcome! In front of me I have ULEFONE Smartwatch and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. Before we start, if you want to change the language on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the VerifyFit Pro application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the VerifyFit Pro application on the phone that is paired with our watch. So let's tap on the icon to open the app. After the application opens, you should see the home page. Now tap on the device icon to open the device page. On this page, scroll down, find the more option and tap on it. And here select the device language. By default, the option called default by OS will be selected, which means that the watch will mirror the language from your phone. But you can change the language for the one from this list. For example, you can select Deutsch and tap on the check mark to save. And now when we wake up the screen on our watch and open the menu, you will see that the language changed. Let's bring it back to English quite quickly, like that. It's gonna change to English. And once you're done, you can close the application. And that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.